Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment located here in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to look at the Husqvarna model YT48DXLS garden tractor with a 25 horsepower Kohler engine. You can find this garden tractor as well as others on our website at sleequipment.com. So you guys can see here we have the Husqvarna model YT48DXLS garden tractor with a 25 horsepower Kohler engine. This is a consumer unit or residential. As you can see, it comes with a brush guard located here in the front. And that brush guard is to help protect the front of the engine from getting any damage. As you can see, this unit comes with LED headlights located here. Underneath the hood here, again, it's a 25 horsepower Kohler engine. 7000 series Kohler. Also, you can see your batteries located underneath the hood as well. This is a 48-inch cutting deck. It has 3 greasable spindles. Again, this is the clear-cut fabricated deck. This unit comes with a washout port as well. That's what that nozzle's for. The washout port is good to help clean underneath the cutting deck. You know, a lot of times you can get grass that gets stuck underneath the deck, so you can hook that up to the deck and then to your water hose, turn on the blades and turn on the water, and it kind of keeps that clean. Here on your control panel, you have your throttle located here on the left-hand side, your clutch, your light switch. Also it has a battery, show how many amps it's running. And also this unit has an hour meter as well. They help you keep up with the maintenance on the unit. Also here on the left hand side you have a 12-volt adapter to keep your phone charged or headphones. Also the parking brake is located there on the left hand side as well. And this unit comes with a 3-gallon gas tank. Has a viewfinder located here in the front as well, as you can see there. Cutting heights on this unit is 1 inch up to 3.5. The lever is located here. Now, as you can see, here's access to your gas tank. This unit has locking differential. That means the unit does well on hills. You can see here in the rear also comes with a hitch. And here on the right hand side, you have on the control panel, you have your PTO switch, which engages and disengages the blades, your ignition, and also your cruise control. And this is your forward pedal and your reverse pedal. And it comes with a rubber grass chute as well, as well as the anti-scap tires as well. So again, this is the Husqvarna model YT48DXLS garden tractor. And this is a residential unit, so great for small or medium-sized yards. If you guys have any further questions, please give us a call. That number is 615-641-7720, or you can reach us on our website at sleequipment.com.